Yo, welcome everybody to a new video of DutchWesp. Today, new exhaust day. It's right here in the box beneath me. Let's open up and see what's inside the box. So first off, big shout out to Holland Motorsports. I will leave their information in the description box below. So I went for the Aero exhaust. Let's open up the box. Here comes the first one. Damn, look at the quality, man. That looks good. Okay, second one. This is the exhaust with the dB killer in it, or silencer, as you would say. Look at this, man. So that is the silencer. Yep, you can see all the way through it. Titanium. Okay, more parts. Ta 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 ta. Okay, and the last one with hardware, with the springs, brackets, lubricant. Yep. Okay, let's install it. So this was everything inside the box. The first muffler, that's on the left side. This is the right side of the bike. So that is the left side. The right side, that is over here. The connect pipe or link pipe, as you would say. And a bag full of hardware. And this is the bike where I'm gonna mount it on. Let's go. Connected with a small bracket over there. It's a little bit of tedious job, but now I'm gonna connect the left exhaust or muffler, like you will say, to the collector. So let's do this. That just took a lot of time, man. I find it a difficult way to connect the bolt that's on the left side. Damn. Okay, so everything is connected now. Installed the right way. I just need to wipe everything off with alcohol, because otherwise you will see all the black fingers on it and all your fingerprints. So okay, installation is done. It looks awesome. This is the left side, what was the most part of the work. So let me wipe it down with alcohol, and then we're gonna do first start, man. So Aero exhaust, titanium mufflers with the silencer in it. So just as a comparison, this was the Rev'it exhaust and this is my new Aero exhaust. Which one do you prefer? Rev'it or Aero? Let me know in the comments down below. Yep. Oh my god, this sounds really amazing, man. I want to do a special shout out to Holland Motorsports. Link in the description box down below, guys. Go check them out. They got them on stock. I think they ship worldwide, so just hit them up on Instagram with a DM. Damn. This shit sounds good, man. Okay. So thanks guys for watching. Give us a thumbs up. And I will keep you updated with a new video with my Aero exhaust. Thanks guys.